What's up guys, Steve Bizzagani, Philly's real estate agent. Today we're going over the 7-point selling prep checklist. If you bought your first Philly home a few years ago and now you're thinking about upsizing, then this video is for you. Basically, our 7-point prep checklist is gonna help starter homes sell faster and attract stronger offers. This is not about perfection, this is about positioning. So let's get into it. Point number 1, declutter like you're already moving. So obviously first, declutter. And yes, that's going to be more than you think. Buyers need to see space, not stuff. So clear floors, countertops, closets, all the stuff, especially the closets. Think rule of threes. The rule of threes is basically on every horizontal or vertical surface, try not to have more than 3 things. So if you've got a refrigerator with 9,000 magnets on it, get rid of them. If you have that wall going up the stairs that has like every family photo you've ever had ever, take them all down. This, buyers need to see space, not stuff. Also consider this. If something hasn't been used in 6 months, then you don't really need it for showings. Think model home, not like real life, because buyers are actually gonna be shopping with their eyes first. I mean, human beings are more visually oriented, so they're gonna see things first and then they'll process from there. Point 2, fix the obvious and ignore the tiny stuff. So loose door handles, dripping faucets, burnt out light bulbs, these little details are important. They are easy fixes that will quietly scare buyers away, because if people will see the details are missed, so they'll start to think that the big things are missed. And that's not good if you want strong offers. Also, don't obsess over these tiny cosmetic flaws. Philly buyers, they want character, they don't want neglect. So all we're really doing is we're removing objections. We're not rebuilding the house entirely. Point number 3, paint is like cheap ROI magic. Fresh paint is one of the highest returns you'll ever get as a seller. Neutral colors make rooms feel bigger, brighter, and more modern, especially in Philly row homes because they're typically pretty narrow shoeboxes almost. It makes listing photos look dramatically better, which matters more than most sellers would think. Point number 4, we're gonna be talking about kitchens and baths. Clean beats fancy. So good news, you don't need a full renovation. You don't need to spend tens of thousands of dollars on getting yourself a new kitchen or bathroom. What buyers care about most is cleanliness. It shows that the house is cared for, not neglected, as we mentioned earlier. So deep clean the kitchen and the bathrooms, scrub the grout, polish the fixtures, swap dated hardware if needed. Here's the thing, buyers can forgive old, but they really struggle to see past dirty, unkempt, and neglect. They usually translate that one instance to like the whole house. Point number 5, light up the house like a show set. And what I mean by that is lighting changes everything. So open every blind, remove heavy and dark curtains, replace bulbs so that they all match and they're all in sync. Use like a warm light, not like sterile hospital white. If a room feels dark, add some lamps. Dark homes, they feel smaller. Small homes feel cheaper. So we want light, bright, and inviting. Point number 6, curb appeal still counts in Philadelphia. Yes, even in the city on our little city blocks with our little bit of frontage, even in the city, the curb appeal matters. Power wash the steps, the brick, the railings, add simple planters for like a real nice, fresh and welcoming look. Add fresh mulch if you have space for it, and make sure that the front door is clean and welcoming. That's very important. Buyers are going to decide how they feel before they ever even walk inside. And that front door, if it's all messed up, forget about it. They've already written you off. Point number 7, price it right from day one. This one is critically important. The first 7 to 10 days on the market are when you get the most attention as a seller. Overpricing kills momentum. And once momentum is gone, it's very hard to get it back. You are not in control of the market as a seller. You can't test the market actually tests you. So smart pricing creates urgency, and urgency creates offers. That's what we want, offers. And offers are what tell us the market value. Wherever the offers come in, that's probably where the market value is. And if you have multiple offers coming in at the same spot, that's more confirmation that that is the true value. Remember, the value of the home is not what it's listed for. So you're gonna hear people talk about, oh, it sold $50,000 over ask. No, the asking price means nothing. It's just a starting number that the seller put on there. Listing price means literally nothing. It's what did it sell for? What was a ready, willing, and able buyer willing to pay for this house? That's value. That's what value actually is. All right, To wrap it all up, this checklist isn't about making your home perfect, it's about making it competitive. When you see these 7 things, your starter home doesn't just sell, it's gonna stand out. If you're planning to sell your home for the first time and you want a customized prep plan based on your exact neighborhood and home, please feel free to reach out. I'll tell you what's worth doing and what you can confidently skip and not worry about. So see you on the next one.